Now I've had to put my ear defenders on for this one because this is our loud noise pack. 31 fireworks, all mega noisy. Now we've put in mines. I think you get 2 mines. We've got 8 barrages and 21 rockets, but all predominantly being noisy. So if you like your noise, this is the pack to go for. It really is. I mean, things like the Tequila, Slammer and Molotov, these mines are insane. Watch the video for these. The way that they erupt and the size of the burst in the sky, they are nuts. Dum Bum, everyone knows Dum Bum. These are just pure reports. Furious Angels, 36 shot. This is so unique. The way it fires this with the like soaring, screeching tails as it goes up, and then again, pure reports of noise. But everything, even the Russian roulette, you know, your smallest firework in the pack, 19 shot, but wow, what a firework. I've got to say, heavy hitter, this has to be a finale. This is a max size, maximum weight firework, 956 grams of powder in. But the ending, I'm not kidding, it's just a bank of pure salutes. It's absolutely doolally. Again, Hawk Slayers, Thunder and Mega Bomb rockets. These are your rockets, noisy things. These Hawk Slayers this year, very similar to your Warhawks, the classic Warhawk everyone loves. But in our opinion, they're so loud. They really are. This is a mega pack, and we've even discounted it on off our already guaranteed lowest prices to ensure that you're paying a cracking price for some incredibly loud fireworks.